In this video, I'm going to show you how to do drop shipping on eBay using Walmart. So it's October Halloween season, so we're going to look for Halloween decorations. And we're going to click search to look at what eBay is currently selling. So here's a list of items that people are currently selling for Halloween. Spiders, cobweb, skeletons, more cobwebs, banners for outdoor lights, and more skeletons decorations. So we can see that there is a lot of people selling these things and with different prices, competitive prices. So we're going to go to walmart.com and have a look at the products they have. Walmart is going to be our supplier, so we're going to be taking their products and selling it on eBay. So we're going to click on Halloween must-haves and see what product Walmart have. Wait for this page to load. It's a while. And here we can have an idea of what Walmart have. Candy, costumes, decorations, party supplies, and makeup. We're gonna look at party supplies since most people are interested in buying party supplies to decorate their homes, indoor and outdoor. So we're gonna have an idea what it have on their party supplies. You can see the different items that Walmart sells under party supplies. We're gonna have a look on the spider. The spider is a well-known Halloween decoration that most people use. So we're gonna click on this item. While we're waiting, we can also see the different items that Walmart sells. So you can also have a look on these items. And you can see which hat, Happy Halloween, and pumpkin decoration. So this is the Harry Posable Spider Halloween decoration. It has 5-star review, which is a good product, and it costs $8.49. We're gonna go down the description, and we're gonna use the exact same description to put in our create listing section on eBay. So we're gonna go on eBay right now, ebay.com listing section, and we're gonna copy this exact same title and paste it in our create listing section of eBay. Exact same thing. When we finish, we're gonna scroll down and fill in the rest of the items. We're gonna choose the category of this item, the condition, it's new. And then for photos, we take all the photos that Walmart provides for us and we put it exactly all photos in there. We can fill up the rest of this item too as well. Item description. So a while ago I showed you the description of the item on Walmart. You're gonna copy exact same description and paste it there. The price for the product I believe was $8.49. So you can choose what price you're going to put it. Remember, you're buying low from the supplier and selling high. So if it's $8.49, you can sell it for like $20, $19. You know, a price a little bit more higher so that you make profit. As you can see, this is the total amount when you check out the product. So when a customer buys your product, you go to checkout and then you paste the customer shipping address in there. What I also did is to show you is I also did paste the exact same title from Walmart into eBay to see if people are also selling this product. And we can see that a lot of people are also selling this product, so it is a very competitive product. And there's different prices too, $31, $19, $23. So there's a lot of competition, so you choose the best price that you want to put for your product. Thanks for watching.